This project is LIFI based industrial parameters monitoring system. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with the power supply, 16:2 LCD display. Here there are two parts, one is transmitter and the second one is receiver. LIFI transmitter connected to Arduino UART port and also DC level temperature and humidity sensor, LDR and smoke sensor connected to Arduino digital pins respectively. LIFI receiver connected to Arduino UART port. Now power on this. In transmitter side, Arduino reads all sensors data and display on 16:2 LCD display. Also, this data transmitted to LIFI TX and it converts data into PWM format. Here, LIFI transmitter transmits the data through LED lights. At receiver side, solar panel amplifies the light signals and converts into data. Arduino displays the sensors data on LCD. Here, both TX and RX should be placed face to face like this. Sometimes external light may affect on communication, so be aware to external light effect. You can see here on LCD smoke on.